how to monetize your reels on Facebook. So to monetize your reels, all you're gonna do is you're gonna first of all make sure you have a proper page, like not a profile, a proper page on Facebook. And once you do that, all you're gonna do is you're gonna head over to the Facebook Help Center. And once you're here, you're gonna go on managing your reels. And once you go on managing your reels, you're gonna make sure to choose the default audience. And once you've chosen the default audience and everything, you're gonna make sure to go ahead and basically manage your account. Go to your account eligibility. You can also go to Safari, and if like we write monetize your reels Facebook, they're gonna basically give you ad enabler, and for that they're gonna ask your eligibility and stuff. As you can see, you're over here. You can also access this on your PC by going to the Creator Studio and everything, but in more retrospect, just tap more in the top level navigation bar on your Facebook page, select monetization and ads on Reels. So basically, once you have your page, let's say this is your page, in the topmost, you're gonna, up here, see a setting for, monetization. So you're just gonna click on it. And once you click on it, basically, you're gonna head into a setting where they're gonna tell you to monetize your Reels. And you're just going to click on it, get their eligibility approval. And once that is done, you're good to go. And your reels are going to get ads and be monetized. So yeah, that's about it. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you all next time. Goodbye.